Hi, welcome to EROTECH Solutions. This is Nanda. I'm explaining about visitor counter application with Arduino controller. So here there are different sensors which are connected with Arduino, as well display unit, LCD screen. So coming to the hardware connections, Arduino unit and LCD have data lines which are connected from 2 to 7 IO lines. RS line connected to pin number 2, enable line is connected pin number 3, and the 4 data lines D4, D5, D6, D7 from LCD connected across 4, 5, 6, 7 pins. And I am taking 2 infrared sensors to detect entry object and the another IR sensor for exit object. And this is just power extension I took. This is for VCC and grounds. So whereas infrared sensor have 3 lines, VCC, ground and output line. The output of IR sensor I'm connected with infrared IO line, Arduino IO line. So whereas 8 and 9 pins which are connected outputs of infrared sensor. So you can watch it, the application. So I just have the initial count, entry and exit both are zeros. So whenever I'm sensing any object, I'm placing in front of this entry sensor, so I got count in the display. And even if you apply multiple times, it's keep on incrementing there, and you can watch it, the count on the screen. Whereas if I'm looking to exit, so whenever something is detected across exit sensor, then there is a count on the exit part. So I displayed individual lines, first line with entry and second line with exit sensor. So this is my application output. Thanks for watching. If you are looking for projects, you can contact us, displayed number on the screen. Thanks.